Hello friends, so we just finished creating your 2 houses that we're going to be using paint with for our Jennifer Bartlett collages. Now, if you were looking on my board, you could see these 2 houses. One's going to have polka dots of paint, like some of her houses were being inspired by, and the other one's going to have lines of paint, like some of her other patterns. And remember, we are doing lines that repeat and polka dots that repeat because we're making patterns. And remember, a pattern is something that repeats. So here are my 2 houses, and you can see my houses are made up of the secondary colors, but we're actually going to be painting with the primary colors today, just so they're a little different. So when you're ready, we're going to paint with our Q-tips. And the way we do this is you can pick whatever color to start. I think I'll start with yellow, and I'm going to do my polka dot house first. Now you can see here, I even made some color patterns around my house if I want to do that. So the way this works, I only need a tiny bit of paint on the end of my Q-tip at a time. And I'm just gonna make little polka dots. When you see it's getting lighter, dip that back in there and you can keep going. So as I make my polka dot house, whenever I want to switch colors, I can go ahead and do that. And as I'm painting, I'm not scribbling, I'm being nice and neat. When I'm done using this, I can just set it right back in the paint and let another friend use it. So I'm going to choose a different color now. I think I might use red. And I can even make some bigger polka dots if I would like to. So if I'm going to use red, maybe I'll do my background. I'll make some nice big red polka dots, just a little bit at a time. And you can see right here, I'm more drawing the polka dots around. So your goal is to fill up both houses. And as you can see, if you get paint on yourself, that's okay. We'll wash our hands at the end of class. It's going to be really important you're very focused today because you only have a little bit of time to finish your painting. Okay, and then I might do green for the other part. Oh, I'm sorry, blue for the other part. Now with my striped house, that's this one here. I am going to go ahead and do the same thing. I think I'll use blue this time. And you can see I've left my Q-tips in the paint. That's okay because another friend can use them. I'm going to go ahead and I'll do some stripes. So maybe I'll do some diagonal stripes across my house. And this you might need a little more paint for. But again, I'm not scooping. I'm just tapping or dipping in my Q-tip. Dip. Dip. And if I don't like the way that looks, where it gets a little fuzzy, I can go over it with some more paint. If I'm really focused, I might even make a color pattern and fill in some other colors in between these blue lines. And you can see Miss D's not mixing, she's being very neat. So your goal today is to decorate one house with polka dots and one with lines, straight lines or stripes. Alrighty friends, happy creating!